Makeup mistakes you didn't know you were making, part 5. If you have any kind of texture, fine lines, wrinkles under your eyes, and you are putting thick, heavy concealer all over, that is only going to make the wrinkles worse. Now, I understand that we have a lot of darkness because what happens with our skin is as we lose the volume, when the eye socket recedes, then it looks darker and darker. So you don't necessarily need to put that brightness all over. Use your main foundation and then take your brightening shade or concealer shade and put it on the outer corner and then the inner corner right on the darkness, not in here in the lines and texture. You will be happier if you do this to give yourself the brightening without putting all of the thick concealer under here. It just increases the chance of it settling into fine lines and wrinkles. And remember, we're trying to look younger, not older. And if you're putting a ton of concealer on under your eyes, I promise you, it's not doing you any favors.